Today we're going to be exploring the Tropicana Las Vegas. Come on.
Another one.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a...
So, for those who don't know, the Tropicana is this white building on the south end of the strip. It's right next to Excalibur and New York, New York. If you're unfamiliar with the Tropicana, it's among one of the cheapest options on the Las Vegas Strip, and it's one of the most senior properties on the Vegas Strip as well. So Tropicana originally opened up in 1957, and since then it has been refurbished, I think, 4 times, including the most recent renovations coming in 2011. So for 10 years ago, the place is in really good shape still. Hilton, the owners of this property, really maintain a high level of quality. They really take care of the property, even though on my nightstand right there, the handle is broke. Popped off. You know, for the most part, this place is in very good shape. Now, before I continue, I'm going to show you the room I booked. I booked the cheapest room, which was shown at $39 on this Sunday evening. However, after taxes and resort fee, $86 total. But for a Las Vegas Strip property, standard room, everything considered, pretty good price. Let's show you the room. Okie dokie. Welcome to the Tropicana Las Vegas. So the following amenities are open. Casino 24 hours. They have a sports book located on the casino floor. There's a glow spa and fitness center open 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. They have a gift shop, a pool, which is closed for the season, of course. But I do have some pool footage for you guys because Greta and I stayed here a handful of months ago. This pool is actually pretty dang big. Only downside is that it closes at 5 p.m. And we were talking to a few people over there that were saying that they have last call at 4 p.m. But on another note, a better note, the pool's really, really nice temperature and it's giant. And look at this sign. So the pool wraps around to like an overhang area, and there's also a swim up blackjack area. So So moving on from the amenities, the following venues are open. Robert Irvine's Public House, located on the casino floor. There's a restaurant called Red Lotus, located on casino floor. Oakville Steakhouse, located on the mezzanine? How do you say this word, Greta? Yada, yada, yada. Chillum Bar, located on casino floor. And then there's a Starbucks located on the casino floor. And the Modelo End Zone Bar, open during the Raider home games. Now moving on to entertainment. Legends in Concert, located in the Legends in Concert Theater. That's Thursday to Sunday at 7:30 p.m. They have Purple Rain, which is located in the Legends in Concert Theater. That's Thursday to Sunday at 9:30 p.m. And then the Laugh Factory, the comedy club here, located on the mezzanine level. Nightly shows at 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Cool. So, Greta and I are actually going to the Golden Knights game. They're playing the Minnesota Wild, who are in town. My guy Zook is going to be playing tonight, so excited to see him. He's on the Wild now. He used to be on the Rangers, but it's been a while. On the topic of sports, I wanted to talk about the future of Tropicana before we go to the game. And if you haven't heard, the Tropicana apparently might be sold to the Oakland Athletics Major League Baseball team. So this place might be demolished, and instead of having the Tropicana, it might be an MLB baseball field. The Oakland Athletics might be the Las Vegas Athletics. On one hand, it'll be sad if the Tropicana gets demolished, but on the other hand, it'll be exciting. A baseball team for the first time in Vegas history, baseball stadium right on the Strip, that'll be really cool. And honestly, like a lot of the hotels in the past in Vegas, it's time to move on. Alright, it's 4-3 Knights after 2 periods. One more left. My boy Zook scored.
But the Logies are winning, which is what we came for.
Great game. 10 goals. Great game. We're about to check out the fitness center. We have no idea where the fitness center is. We're just bouncing around here in the conference center area. There's a ton of event space here. I think like half of this building is conference rooms. We did find the fitness center actually. It's attached to the spa and salon. I think it's down this hallway past the front desk area, but both close at 5 p.m. so we can't show you. Really sorry about that. All right, time to go home actually. We're not sleeping here. We have a very, very big day tomorrow and the next few days. Tropicana is also cool because they're one of the only hotels that always has free parking. When I first moved here, this was always the spot that I would park at. Nice little park. So, before I end this video, just want to wrap up and summarize a bit. I do think Tropicana is often criticized too much. I do think Tropicana is a solid property, even though it's on the cheaper end. I do like the tropical kind of environment and decor. I think it's worth going to. Maybe if you're not going to stay there, just pop in, play some table games, visit the Laugh Factory. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. And shout out Tropicana. I don't know how much longer it'll be there, so if it's not there, I'm happy I made this video. It's history. So, okay. Good night, y'all.